How you guys doing? Leekautorepair. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. Real quick, I want to talk to you guys about an oil pan replacement I did. Well, oil pan gasket. I replaced the oil pan gasket. And this year is a 2006 BMW 525 XI West German version. I don't know what's so special about the West German, but it is what it is. But did an oil pan gasket replacement, and pretty much just want to talk about just those who ask questions in Google. How long does it take to replace the gasket? How hard is it to replace the gasket? Let me be the one to tell you. I mean, I'm pretty sure you already saw. I let the little clips in the beginning. You kind of can see me putting the gasket on and then putting the pan on itself or whatever. The job is involved. It's involved. I wish I would have took pictures thoroughly, but I'm not able to take pictures thoroughly. I was too involved. My hands was dirty. It's messy, real messy. Had dirt all up on my arms and everything. Gloves kept on ripping. Dirt flying in my face from the impact tools. Make sure you guys wear safety glasses. But the job is involved because you got to take some. I have to take some suspension out, but you got to take out the subframe. Once you get the subframe out, you got to take off the front differential. You don't have to take out the drive shaft, just let it hang once you take it off from one end. And then, what else I had to do? Yeah, just once you get the subframe out, it's literally a walk in the park. Now, you're going to be in your driveway, or I don't know, your driveway, backyard, whatever. I've seen it done in the videos. Guys been doing it, and they do it without the engine support bar. Me, I've done this job numerous times. I've done this job about 5 times, and if you're doing it in your driveway, it's going to take a hell of a lot longer. In the shop book time, this pays, I should have told you from the beginning because I'm going out of order. I'm raw and freestyle when I do my videos. So this job pays about 9.9 all day at a time. 9.9, let's just round it. Let's just say 10 hours. Job pays 10 hours at the dealership. You know they want like what, $1,300, $1,400, $1,200. Some independent shops going over $1,000 for it. Job is well worth what it charges, definitely. What are you dealing with? You're dealing with a BMW. BMWs are one of the, not the car recommended for do-it-yourselfers to be doing a job like this. Now, when I started on this job, some guys in the farms, they've started, and probably take them up to a weekend or a couple of days or whatever. Me, I came in and worked today, started on this around 10 o'clock. And I got done around 5 pretty much. I got done before the sun had set. So it was light when it started, and it was still light out and didn't get dark yet. So I pretty much beat the time. I think if I started off, let's just say I started off at 11, because it was close to 11. Start off at 11, and let's just say it got done by 6 o'clock. So from 11 to 6 is how many hours? So I beat the book time. Only because I've done this job numerous times before. I know the procedure. I've done this job in railroad drive. This is all-wheel drive. It really don't matter for me. You know, you're gonna get stuff that's gonna run in your way like rust and broken plastic stuff or whatever. Just it's tedious. It is. Just you gotta be real careful. But I don't recommend this for you to do it suffer in the driveway. So I mean, if you're that overachiever, if you're that guy, you're really confident that you can get it done, go for it. If not, if you don't want you want to be that guy in your driveway or whatever it is you're doing, or if you're the technician in the shop, you're not sure if you can pass this job along to someone else that can handle it, well, you should do it. It's up to you. But at the end of the day, from start to finish, you ain't got no patience for it. Leave it alone. Take it to the shop, save a couple dollars, or you're gonna save more than a couple dollars, but save a lot of goddamn money, get this shit done, because it's a big job. It's a big job. It's not like you're doing the engine or transmission. It's just, it's all of the little stuff you gotta remove just to get this job done. Now, would I do this job over again? Yeah, I do this job all day long. This job pays. I can get book time hours in no time, man. It's a one-man job. Only thing, I just had somebody help me line up the oil pan so that way I can keep the gasket in place. But I'm pretty sure you guys got tricks and remedies for stuff like that. But don't do this in the driveway without a helper. Don't. At all. At all. This engine fall on you once you take the subframe out. It ain't going to be my fault. It's going to be your fault. Well, I didn't show you how to do the job. I'm just talking about the job. Yeah, you want the engine to fall on you. You get your fingers smashed up, busted up. It could be cold outside. Your fingers all numbed up, or whatever. Just have a partner. You don't have a partner, and you're not confident. Don't do it. I'm just being real with you. I'm just being real with you. Like I said, I've done this job numerous times. And I said I would do this again. It's easy money. So just wanted to answer a couple questions. If any of you guys got any more questions that I didn't answer, I know I probably didn't answer, make sure you guys leave it in the comment section. I don't think there's anything else for me to, cover. Make sure you get your, if you're going to do this job, just be prepared. Be prepared to be wrenching for hours. Like I said, it was just a walk in the park for me. I hope it's a walk in the park for you, but more so a summary. That's all I wanted to talk about. So make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. And I got to top off this power steering fluid because I had to disconnect 2 power steering lines.
Holler back at your boy.
Yeah, make sure you guys holler back at you.
When you do a job 20 times,
yeah, you do
it
this,
becomes easy. It becomes natural.
Right.
You just do a motor, you just do a transmission. These jobs are nothing.
Right. The first time I did, I remember. G, you remember that?
Yeah, I remember that first
the 325 I did.
I
did it on the 325. That was a long time ago. It was like a 04 or 05 Nissan. 325. Yep. It was real. Actually, it was all-wheel drive XI. And the first time I did it, like, it took me longer than 12 hours to get it done. That's just being real with you. Just ran into a couple snags, but I done this job about 5 more times after that, so I know what was what. And plus, I did an engine on this similar version not too long ago. But it's cake work. But book time, that's why a dealership want what they want, because
that's what they want.
It's expensive.
It's an expensive job.
And they taking it to like an independent shop like this, you still gotta pay because it's labor involved. It's labor involved. But it's
save money though.
You want to save money, and you got a great car. You just got to take care of your oil leaks and stuff.
And they always go bad on these.
Always go
bad.
That's why these gaskets are in stock at most places you can get them from. But yeah, that's that. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm getting out of here on this Saturday. That's right.